Alright, I'm going to mount my Rock Beast 2 Pitbull tires to my gearhead wheels, my bead locks. So here we go. Got all my screws in there ready to go. Just got to line them up. Actually, these wheels are pretty easy compared to my locked up RC four-wheel drive bead locks. They've got a bunch of grooves. You gotta, the groove on the wheel that get the lip of the tire in. So if you're looking at, a pretty decent, easy wheel bead lock to assemble, you might look at the gearhead wheels. They might be, as far as that goes, a little easier to do. Get all lined up and put together. Get them lined up. That is. But anyway, actually pretty simple, if you ask me. Beats fighting all the little screws around your bead lock, or for your bead lock. Sorry if my hands are in the way, but anyway, there you go. Done both sides. Pretty easy peasy to me. Thanks for watching.